everybody, this is Jeanice Cabale with Cabale Media, and in today's video we are talking about how to increase your AOV. Stay tuned. For those who don't know what AOV is your average order value, and a lot of companies, most companies I'm sure, try to increase the AOV to obviously bring in more revenue. So how do we do that? There are many ways that we could speak about, but I'm going to give you 10, and then you can take it from there. You can incorporate one, you can incorporate a few at a time, see what works. But there are a few different things you could do, and I'm sure these 10 that I'm about to recommend you aren't the only 10, but these are ones that I've tried that are, I would say, pretty damn good. Now, depending on what kind of company you have or what you can offer, you can either use some of them or use all of them, and you could figure out from there. But to start this off, the first thing I want to recommend is product recommendations when you want to increase your AOV. So what's that? Something like personalization, of course, one of my favorites. Personalized suggestions. Use customer data to recommend what they should buy. And that's basically saying what they've bought in the last 7 days, 21 days, 31 days, something that can complement their latest purchase. So let's say you own a clothing brand and say the customer purchased a hat. You want to recommend something that makes sense. If they bought a hat, maybe you want to add, or maybe you want to suggest a t-shirt. Maybe you want to suggest a pair of joggers. Use what they purchased in the past and find something that could complement that purchase. Say you sell chocolate. Maybe you can add a different flavor to that. Maybe you can add coffee to that. Maybe you can add gifts for Valentine's Day. Something along the lines that makes sense from the previous purchase they bought. Personalization, and then or pairing that with upselling or cross-selling. So include higher price items or lower price items or alternatives to what they purchased before. Alternatives meaning maybe, okay, let's take it back to a clothing brand. Hats that cost more, hats that cost less, somewhere that it's just different that they can complement their order with. Again, cross-selling or upselling. It just depends what you think fits well, or do you use that personal data and see what you can offer them that makes sense to add to their next order. Bundling products. Try package deals, offering bundles of products at a discounted rate compared to, let's say, purchasing it as a one-off. Maybe you sell soap. Maybe you could sell soap with a loofah and a towel, as opposed to just selling soap, a loofah, or a towel. It's really buying more and saving more all at the same time. Encourage larger purchases by providing maybe discounts. 10% off purchases over $50, maybe 15% off purchases over $100. You could use either one, package deals or buy more, save more. It's just bundling together. They have an incentive to buy rather than just buying single items. Limited time offers or FOMO. You're always going to be missing out from some sales. Why not make the sale even better? Flash sales, or also known as short-term sales, offer discounts that you don't usually get or special offers to create a sense of urgency. Right now, July 4th is coming up, and this video will actually be after July 4th. Actually, at the time that this video is released, it's still going to make sense if you do a July 4th sale, then a last chance sale, or an extended sale. These are all short-term, limited-time offers. Of course, when you say it's a sale, they think it's only going to be one day, but generally people do know that you're going to extend it for a day or two. But using limited-time offers are a great way to increase your AOV. Short-term sales are a great way to increase your AOV. Use them to promote a sense of urgency and then see your AOV increase from there. Free shipping thresholds, which most sites have. Most sites you'll see anywhere from 50 to 75 free shipping. You can set it to a lower threshold just temporarily, just to increase your AOV. Let's say, for example, if you're doing 50, maybe you want to do 40. You just want to slightly increase the threshold to incentivize your customers to buy more things. Try doing one of those two things, whether it be doing a limited time offer flash sale or a limited time offer free shipping threshold. Loyalty programs, which I feel a lot of people don't take advantage of. I think having a loyalty program or a rewards program is a great way to get people to buy more. I know for a fact that if I have points sitting in my account, I'm more likely to purchase because it's $5 off, $10 off, whatever the price may be. It just gives you an incentive to buy. You may not use it now, but eventually you'll use it later. And generally, points do expire. They try to get people to use it, or you being the businesses or yourself, try to get the customers to use it as soon as possible so they make more purchases in a shorter amount of time. As long as they're earning points, at some point they're going to use those points. Use a rewards program to try to increase your AOV. You can do something like VIP exclusives, meaning offering exclusive deals or early access to sales. And these are people that are generally in your rewards program, giving them that incentive to sign up, spend more money, buy more, and then use those points as needed. And I am 100% sure if you tell them that they have early access to a sale, they are more likely to buy. Gift guides are great, especially during the holidays. Valentine's Day gift guide is a great one. Father's Day, Mother's Day. Seasons changing, like a fall gift guide, a summer gift guide, a winter gift guide, Christmas, Thanksgiving, birthday. It's really just giving the customer a reason to buy. When it comes to that, you want to use higher priced items because you know during the holidays they're more likely to purchase. Gift guides are great, especially if you want to increase your AOV. Also, you can use something like, let's say, personalized lists and curated products, which is kind of like an upsell or a downsell or a cross-sell based on customer preferences and shopping behavior. If you know they're more likely to buy joggers, send them more joggers. Send them shirts that will complement the joggers. Send them a hat that's going to complement the joggers. Just always find ways that's going to help complement those purchases to increase the average order value. So you want to use compelling visuals. Using professional photos, and UGC can work too, is very appealing to the user or the subscriber. And it makes higher price items more attractive. Think of larger designers or high-end designers. They use these very professional looking pictures to make these items look great. Conversely, like I said, UGC content does work as well. Depending on your brand, whether it be a high-end brand or an influencer brand, tailor accordingly. If you know that influencer marketing is making your business sell, maybe use more of that. If you're a high-end brand like a designer, you see them generally with all photo shoot type pictures. Use compelling imagery or compelling visuals to get the customers to want to buy more. Copy. A big thing with me is copy, using the pass on, pass to framework. If you're talking about yourself and not telling them the benefits, they're least likely going to buy. Something that I preach to my customers all the time, or my clients all the time, is stop talking about yourself. No one cares if you've been around for all these years. Yeah, it's great. It's definitely a great selling point. But if you're not telling them exactly how this product or your service is going to benefit them, then they don't want it. Why are you better than the competition? Why are you better than any other brand? Give them a reason not to go anywhere else and purchase from you. Persuasive copy and persuasive visuals is a great way to increase your AOV. Holiday campaigns, just like I was speaking about before with the gift list or the curated lists. You want to tailor your emails for the holidays or special occasions with exclusive offers and premium products. You want to start selling your most high-priced items around those times because people are more likely to spend that money because they need to make a purchase for, whether it be, again, Valentine's Day or Christmas or something like that. Even birthday discounts. Offering special discounts on, let's say, high-value items for somebody's birthday, somebody is more likely to buy. You're just, again, giving them another reason to buy, giving them exclusive offers. Let's say they want a bag, you're giving them 20% off or 30% off. Let's say it's their birthday, you're giving them $10 off on top of their already discounted purchase. Give them special occasion promotions, and you'll definitely see your AOV increase. Follow-up emails, which a lot of people are not utilizing. I can't preach enough how you need these evergreen type of flows, abandoned cart, browse abandonment, site abandonment, VIP, unengaged, sunset, win back, SMS promotion, shipping confirmation, shipping delivered, purchase completion, everything under the sun to make sure that the customer knows what's going on in their customer journey. You want to make sure that they're always informed of what's going on, because if they're not, they're least likely to purchase. I can't tell you how many times I've never got an abandoned cart or a site abandoned or a browse abandoned. The more I get those things, I am more likely to buy. They generally offer a discount. I'm not going to lie. I sometimes purposely leave it in the cart so I know I'm going to get a discount. Always give your customers and your subscribers a reason to buy, or they'll never buy from you. Be that ultimate premier brand that's honest, compelling, provides a good service or a good product, because people will continue to buy from you. So many brands out here are so sneaky and so deceiving and deceptive that you just don't want to buy from them. If you give customers good deals, quality products, quality service, they are more likely to buy from you. That's why to this day I still buy from the same brands over and over again. And quality over quantity, you want good customers. But yeah, I hope these 10 recommendations will help you increase your AOV in any event. This is another short video, but I like to keep them short, and hopefully we'll start to do longer videos, and we'll give you all the information you need to enhance your email marketing in 2024 and soon to be 2025. It is now July. We're 6 months away from the end of the year. What are you going to do to upgrade and enhance your marketing, especially your email marketing? If you like this video, comment, like, share, subscribe, here, wherever the subscribe button is. Obviously, you can press it for those who don't know. You can email me here at jcabale@cabalemedia.com. You can visit the site, cabalemedia.com. Get your free 30-minute consultation about all things marketing or anything marketing in general. And if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends about it. Tell your family about it. Happy 4th of July. And I'll see you at the next video.